Today we'll be working on cloning rows rows bots with Node.js. Okay, let's start by initiating initiating our folder. You will create a folder, rows clone, then run it up on your VS Code. npm init. Okay, this thing is going to install. Then we'll install these packages. We'll install express.env and telegraph. Okay, I didn't add npm and install. Let me add it. I forgot it. Yeah. Okay, as it is installing, we'll search for our bot father and create a new bot. Remember, I'll be working with Node.mon, so I would like you to install your Node.js and Node.mon. What name are we going to give our bot? Rose cron total. Let's just do copy this and add bot. And now you have our token. Okay, let's create a .env and then add our bot token. We don't want to hard code this so that it not be like someone will just come and steal our API. Okay, use this our main to create our index.js, and with this you have created our index. Okay, let's also create a new group. We'll call this rows tutor group, and we can create it. And now this is our group. Let me just pin it up. With this we can do one thing here, but I think we'll have to leave it so that I will not confuse you guys. Let's head over to our terminal. Then we'll do something like Node.mon. If you do this, it's going to fail, but let me show you guys. Node.mon index, because nothing is here. Okay, it's still working, but there's nothing on our file. And just clear it and then initiate a browser. We'll initiate our express file, our express server. We'll do const express equals to require. We'll add require express const app is equals to express initialize it, create an instance, and with this express you can do listing. Make sure you always create a server for this, because most times if you move it online, you know you don't need it, you are not doing with anything Node.js, but most time before you host it online, those guys are looking for those online servers, are online what is it name, I forgot it, are looking for you to just are looking for this port listed to any port. Without it you have issues moving it online, so make sure you just do this listing for ports. First of all, we'll create a port. With this port we'll do process.env dot port, because most times if we move it to production, port will not be empty, process dot port will not be empty. Instead of our coding it, we'll use the one the online server that we are using gives us. Okay, so with this we have already created a server, our own server that is listening to port 5000. If you do okay, let's not do it because you are not using any browser. But if you do app.get slash, you see, if you run it on your browser, you get any response you are giving back. Okay, now let's create for our bot. First of all, cost telegraph equals to require to require. Okay, telegraph, and we also add this require our .env, because without this we can't get our env file, we can't access our env file. I hope I'm not confusing you guys. Okay, let's initialize our bot. First of all, bot and serve. Let me add this here, and then I can add this too. Then I can add this. Okay, yeah. Our code is a bot, constant bot, new. We use the new keyword for it. Then process dot env dot bot. We just have to copy this to be sure. Oh, I made a mistake. I should have made this more big. I hope you guys are not angry. Okay, I think this should be good. Yes, yep. Okay, you guys are seeing it. I want to redo the video. I just hope you zoom it out. Okay, with this we have our bots, our new instance of our bot with our key, with our token, our bot token. You know, this token is what we got from our bot father. If you check, you see it here. This is the token. So first of all, we'll start by checking if you are getting the token. We'll start by bot stats. This is just like an event listener. Do you get me? An event listener. So just like an event listener, when you do cost on click, there's this thing that hint I'm going to tell you guys. If you guys can remember about docs, there was this time that if you have an account and then if you enter, it's going to tell you who is this dog. It just means that most times we can create an account without having a username, but we'll definitely have first name or last name. So I think it was using only username. So if you set up your username, then you will see it work. But I think the dev had to like change it a little bit. But this thing that we did here, it just us getting from the person that initiated the event, the username or the first name, anyone, like one will have to be like not empty. So welcome to my bot, bro. Then you do something like You guys know about batik. And do something like username. Okay, let's check it out. Should I pin? Okay, let me check. Oh, we made a mistake. Before we do this thing, we have to do, but you have to launch it. That was why I was saying like I used to forget this. Oh. That was why I was saying like you have to like without this server, this thing can work because with this launch, it's going to work. Let me just do dots then. And we'll log it out. But is running. Not catch. Log. Console the log. Error. Starting but what to do this. Forgot to do this. Error. Could just do this. Close this and close this. Oh, okay. Let's see if we let's use backticks for this. Then we'll do something like this and add our error. I think that will do. Let's click on it again and see if it's going to work. Okay, it's working. I think it was that. Let me just pin this too. So I have to pin it too. So I think it was that this board launch because without it, it's not going to work. If I let me show you this, you guys what I'm talking about. So it's going to auto refresh. That's why I like using Node more. Now you can see it's still working, but it's just for necessity for moving it online. So first of all, we have created this. Then you are going to create. I think we are going to first of all, since we know our bot is working, let's create for welcome bot message. And like I told you guys, this thing is just like an event. So we'll just do on. We're doing click. This one is on right now. So we'll do new. You can see it's popping up something for us. New chat members. This is going to notify us when a new chat member joins our group. But this thing needs permission. But when we get there, I'm going to show you. So let's just do with the code. No, this thing is too much. Just do const new members. This is just variables. I'm surprised I'm naming my variables something good. We should have been saying Nkechi, Emeka, new chat members. Okay, this is getting us our new chat member. So you can do something like this thing is our chat ID. Do you know why we are getting this chat ID? Because maybe we can add it in many groups. So it's going to get this exact chat ID so that we'll know that we are sending back. We are going to send back. We are going to send back a message. So we are sending back a message if it's in any group. So let me just do const. Okay. Specific to know. Yeah. Oh, send back a message. Okay. With this, I will do something. New members. New members is an array because if you just join, it's just like the whole array of members in the group. So for each, we use for each member. Sorry, I've lost my touch. Let me go back and ask for the singer. Okay, const username is equals to member dot username. So this is just giving us a single instance. And remember what I told you guys. Don't just use only username. I think in our other video, I used to say this because how to like first hand experience it. Make sure you have an alternative, either first name or last name, because they also have last name. So this, remember CTX here, our events is just like our on click event. You can do CTS telegram dot send message. Dot send message. Remember what I told you about our chat ID is going to get the exact group. Then we can do something like, hey dear, hey dear, and you hear them saying, if it's a lady with them saying, hey there, how's it going? Welcome to the group. Welcome to my humble abode. And then you hear something like, feel okay. Let's just do the username too. You can see why we got our username here, because you don't want to use member or username or if it's empty. So that's why we just assigned it here. We can simply use this word because of what I told you guys. So you can do something like, member feel free, feel at home. Okay, feel at home. Appreciate you jump. Okay, I think they should do. I do ship this so that the two will work. Okay, now we have our events. Let me see. This is for our people that are going to join our group. Now let's do something. First of all, we can manage group. Most times I think this is just by default creating a private group. So just do no private. Or should you use our okay, no private. So this link is taken, okay. Rose clone tutor. Okay. Okay. Let me just save it. I can just paste it. Okay. So with this, we can add this as an admin. We'll also manage. Click on administrator, just like how you add rules. And you do rules on Okay, we have our stuff here. Now there's an admin. You can change, but let's just leave it as an admin. Close. Yes, and as you can see, welcome. Hey dear Rose. So he's even like doing for himself. Hey dear Rose, welcome to my humble abode. Feel out to appreciate you jump. So he's already working too. Oh. Let me just share this link, forward this link to my test account, forward the link, and then we can switch. Yep, and this is the group. Okay, good. It's not working. Let me see. So clear. I'll run it up again, and let's see why it's not working. Let me leave the group and join again. It's still not working. Screen is an admin. Why is not working? Join the group. The problem we encountered was from this. Was from the privacy setting in this group. So let's just change it. Group privacy turn off. And let's see, back to setting. Then let's check again. It's still on. So let me go back here, and then let's see if it's going to work. I have to leave the group again. Can see? So leave the group again, join. Oh, so it was that privacy stuff that we encountered. So make sure you turn off the privacy from that your bot further. That was the issue. So you can see, hey, street there, welcome to my mobile about street there, feel at home. So this is just this is just the username for this. So right now we are going to do for leave bot. You are going to do for leave bot. As you can see, is working. But if I leave, it's not going to do anything. So we need to do for leave too. So let me just copy this, and then we'll do something like this. I didn't expect to have that issue. I've had it before, but like I got over it. I didn't even know that it had to be like that stuff. But you can just change it. So the bot further is just in this tutorial too. Turn it off. Make sure you turn it off. Okay, now we have our left chat member. Chat member. Sorry. Left chat member. Okay, so with this, you are going to get people that left us. Left user that left us to follow Sasuke. Okay, left chat member. Or remember, you are going with either our username or our first name. As you can see, that like I don't want to make that mistake again. Dot first name, and then we'll do dot username or my bro. Let's just do my bro. Everyone is just my bro. And also, you know what to say about getting our chat ID. CTX dot message. Do you guys want to see what messages and CTX is? Check out the treating iteration. Because we'll be adding more advanced functionality to our bot. Okay, Telegram dot send message. You see, there's no array in this one. It's just plain feature chat ID. So you are still getting this our chat ID, and then this hello, sorry to have left us. Sorry you had to leave. Well, we're expecting you back soon. Let me just do that. Is it good to call the person that left? Is it good? I don't think it's good. Lefties. Let's just do lefties. Okay. We, we will miss you. And then let me use my otaku emoji. Oh, don't fail me, man. Okay. Now let's leave our group peacefully. Let's join again. You see? When I left, but we are expecting you back soon. We'll miss you. So with this, let me go back to my previous one. And with this, we have our rosebuds doing this welcome. You can change the text as much as you like. But later in the episode, we'll be working with links and some commands in our group. So stick to our channel and just wait for the next video. And I hope you guys understood every steps, because I try as much to comment as can see it. Okay, have a nice day then.